Ready to transform a simple portrait into a work of art using the magic of digital makeout in Adobe Photoshop. Step 1. Let's import your chosen portrait into Photoshop. Make sure your image is high resolution for the best results. Ensure the Layers panel is open. This is your best friend for digital makeup. Now, duplicate the original layer by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer. We'll do our editing on this copy, so as not to mess up the original. This allows us to make changes while preserving the integrity of the original photo and make mistakes without worries. Choose your desired makeup look for the image, then select your desired paintbrush tool and create a new layer. Select a brush shape for the lips by clicking on the brush settings to pick from various options such as an airbrush, glitter, and solid options. Adjust opacity and flow as needed. Make some selections, like the color of the lips, by using the color picker. On the new layer, carefully begin painting the makeup on the model's face. I'm starting with the lips. Focus specifically on the lip area to create a clean and vibrant makeup effect. This may include painting lines directly on the lips and blending them in. Next, let's add eyeliner. Create a new layer for the eyeliner. Choose a thin brush. Select your color, typically black, then apply eyeliner around the eyes as desired for a fresh and enhanced appeal. Experiment with blending modes like overlay, soft light, or multiply on your layers to get different effects. These modes let your makeup blend smoothly with the photo. Change them by clicking the normal selection above your Layers tab. If the makeup looks too stark or artificial, use the Gaussian blur filter to soften the edges and details. This will give the appearance of the blended eyeshadow look. You can access this under Filter, then Blur, and you can adjust the radius to make a good estimate. Finally, assess your work. Can make adjustments to your graphic makeup. You can use the eyedropper for touch-ups as the final step. Once you're happy with the look, congratulations, you've successfully added graphic makeup to your portrait in Photoshop. And now you know a few tricks to apply these graphic makeup enhancements pretty easy.